How are you? Welcome back. Hey! Sarge, on your body!
Yeah.
Sarge, you want a drink?
Hey,
Come
Nate,
on.
thanks.
Hey, Sarge, there's plenty here.
Hold it, fucker. You stay out here. What's good, my pal?
Now $10, General?
Why not? You're driving, Suki. Hey, you want to drag ass?
What are you hiding in your little hand? See why you're losing, smartass?
You lousy faggot! I'll kill a son of a whore!
Take it easy, Fred. No, you won't. Take your money and you'll get out.
I don't give a shit about the money!
Here, take your money. Take it. And you two Casanovas, let's go home. Your night's over.
Sarge, can't we just stay a little longer? I'm enjoying myself.
Move. Now.
Hey, Sarge. Didn't you go to the hospital today?
Yeah, the operation. What happened?
How's Tom?
They had to cut off his leg.
No more athletics.
About like killing him.
Yeah. Let's go.
Hey, America. You not stay here no more?
Gotta go, baby.
You don't want me no more?
Hey, man. How are you?
Take care of him, Sarge.
You know, I like this place.
Got the
It's
best
like,
pussy in town. The best.
Yeah, the best hash as well.
Hey, Sarge, I was just trying it. I don't need it. You know what I mean? Don't you believe me?
Hey, fuckhead.
Should I? You think that shit is gonna get you over the fear, but it doesn't. It slows you down and gets you dead.
Knowledge is power.
What?
Oh, look how he's smiling.
Get out of here. Hey, soldier, take this rag off your head and wear your beret.
Oh, come on, Sarge. This ain't a parade ground, for Christ's sake.
He's turning out worse than Captain Harlow.
Come on, keep moving. Go. Come on, you guys. Let's go. Move it. Come on.
What's the matter? Aren't you
There's no peace. No horny.
Bye.
Hey, what are those?
Bye.
Little mintai, eh?
Midnight.
Hey, look what I got here, you guys.
What is it?
A mintai.
Hey, what?
Right
Go,
up.
King. Move it. Come on.
Looks like a cock with tassels.
No way, it's a Hollywood
Why,
suppository.
Sergeant Maggio, this here's a very useful object. It's an enema for Captain Harlow.
Watch your language, soldier.
Hey, that's
Yes,
what
sir.
you need,
Sorry,
kid. Flush
sir.
out your
Yes,
brain.
sir. Well, I don't know what it is, but I still bet it would knock the shit out of that bastard.
Christ. Hold on. Hold it. Stop his bleeding.
It's gonna be all right. It's gonna be all right.
Jesus Christ! Did you see what that filthy motherfucking bastard of a little kid did? Let's see if we can find him.
How did it happen?
Booby trap.
Get the other side. Okay. Gently.
Okay, I got him. Here.
Come on, move it, move it.
The corridor to the left.
In here. No, I'm sorry. You'll have to wait outside.
What's the score?
We're doing all we can, don't worry.
He disappeared.
He's in surgery. An emergency, a soldier.
Well, what happened?
A booby trap, I think.
Hey, I hear your buddy got booby-trapped. That's what happened to me, only I got lucky. It didn't go off right, so I just got a scratch. It's worse here than in the jungle.
Come on, soldier.
Sorry about your friend.
God damn it! No! Why am I both the damn thing?
Koji, come on,
I
calm
should
down.
have died.
Nobody's
not
to blame
her.
for it. Stop it!
It's not right. It's not right that he died.
I tell you, Harlow commands the hottest unit in my division. He's one of the best officers in the whole damned army.
But he's gone off the deep end.
And I should give you carte blanche to write that in your column?
Don, I write what I observe. What I'm asking you to do is to step in, save lives. Harlow is out to polish his performance rate at any cost. But just in the last 4 months, he's racked up nearly a 60% casualty rate.
Where the hell you get those figures from? They're classified.
Maybe so. The point is, they're accurate.
Well, this is war, for Christ's sake, not the Super Bowl.
But it's over, Don. We can't win it. We're getting the hell out. And there isn't any sense in dying anymore. But kids still are. And the people back home want to know why. They want to understand, Don.
All right. So what exactly you want me to do?
Shackle Harlow. You know, just enough to restrain him.
Not so easy.
Drawing VC
Get
fire.
that door,
We're hit.
will you?
Still airborne.
Oil pressure's 0.
Then let's get her done, man.
Come on, put her down.
In that hornet's nest? Hey, get her. Are you asleep?
No, sir.
Go on, hit him.
Put your men into the base. Get some more air cav in here, damn it.
Take her around it. Let's hit the fuckers. One of you motherfuckers take over that fucking gun. Now fucking move, damn it. Bring us around.
Sir, give him a hand. I'm taking us down.
Try to get us away from that Charlie fire base. Not in the water, you mother! There's a clearing ahead.
Got it.
Put her down there. All right, clear out.
Grab that ammo box.
Move it, you guys! You stick close to me. Don't go, man. Oh, mother!
Tornado 2, this is Tornado 9. We're in the area. We should be close to you now. Can you give us a visual? Over.
Affirmative 9. I can hear you. You'll be over us in a few seconds.
3 o'clock below us. Look, over there.
She's gonna burn.
Move it.
Hell, they've disappeared. They've taken cover in the jungle.
Tell him to come and get us.
This is Tornado 2. Come in, 9. We need a lift home. You read me? Over.
Affirmative, 2. You got Charlie trouble. Stay in cover. I'll call reinforcements. Over.
We sure appreciate it. Look, how about you spray Charlie with some 50s if you can see him? Over.
Be a pleasure. Stand by.
Easy. Oh, here we come.
Take care of him.
Nine's got company, Sarge. Looks like they're coming to get us.
They wouldn't make it with that goddamn son of a bitch machine gun. Come with me. Covers.
Hit the dirt! Come on, let's get out of here. Son of a bitch! Gotcha.
Keep shooting. I'm gonna try to get behind him.
Okay.
9 to 6, we're heading down to the pickup.
Why don't you spread a little joy on Charlie?